982.
Is that good?
Was that in?
Looked out to me, mate.
That's out. 891.
Bro, you were totally in the kitchen.
Nah, you're clean, mate. Don't worry.
I was clear. Our point.
All right, so what can I get you guys? What should I get? I was thinking a quesadilla.
Mate, you're gonna want the center cut fillet, medium rare.
Center cut filet, medium rare, mate.
Stop saying mate.
What do you think? Funny or scary?
What do you think?
I get nightmares, sorry.
Oh, can't have that. Babe, stick with funny.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and a special shout out to Public House in Temecula, California. You know, this restaurant always lets us film our comedy pickleball skits here, and if you're ever in Temecula and you want some good food and service, check them out. Now, if you really love that skit and you want to keep laughing, then click this video right here and keep going. This one is seriously gonna laugh your pickleballs off, so click that one right there and keep on going, guys. Go ahead and click it. Seriously, click that one right here. Stop watching me and click that one. I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Click it.